make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Hello, my little freaks. It's Mrs. Glass. You already know. I'm bringing to you a new cooking vlog. I think I already have made this, but I love it. And today, we're gonna be making a lasagna. I love lasagna. It's the best. Today, it's just gonna be regular beef lasagna. I also do really enjoy a chicken lasagna if you've never had it. You know, you just have to make sure that you don't dry out the chicken. Hello to my new subscribers. If you are new here, just know I love fashion, I love food, I love traveling, and welcome to the little freak world and come along for the ride. Please make sure to subscribe and make sure to hit the bell so that you're notified every time I drop a new video. And make sure you follow me across all of my social media platforms so that you can enter to win the $500 giveaway. We are so close, and a lot of people are not following me on all platforms, so if I call your name, it's on you, okay? If I call your name and you're not following me everywhere, I feel bad, you know? And I'm not a mean person. So, let's get started. We're making classic lasagna. I already have my water boiling for the pasta. I'll be using Barilla. I'll be using this. You will also need beef or any protein of your choice, ricotta cheese, and Italian 5 cheese. I'm also going to be mixing green onion. It's getting chopped up right now. Let's just start the process, because this is a process. You also want to preheat your oven so that when you're done creating the lasagna in the dish, you just stick it in the oven to have everything melted, gooey, and cheesy. So make sure to preheat it. You want it high. I'm gonna start it like to about 380 right now. All right, so now I'm just gonna season the meat. I have my chopped up onions. You're gonna need pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Very simple, but comes out so delicious. So let's start mixing. Okay, so the meat is cooking. The noodles are almost ready. You're gonna also need something to put the lasagna in. So I'm gonna use this glass Pyrex. It's perfect for this. The oven is already ready. And then I'll also be using this red sauce. And it's the Parmesan and Romano with cracked black pepper. So next, I'm just gonna be creating the lasagna and I'll be right back. All right, let's assemble. I'm gonna put just a little bit of butter spray on the bottom. All right, so I start off by layering the noodles on the bottom. I don't put sauce first because it just makes it all watery. Don't come for me, that's how we like it in this household. All right, I'm gonna do a light sprinkle of the Italian 5 cheese. Remember, this is the first layer. We make our food to eat, not for presentation. Next, meat. Sauce. Garlic powder, ricotta. Now with this, dollops. Now, repeat the process. We go crossway on our second layer to give it that depth.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, go ahead, push it down.
Meat. Okay. All right, y'all, let's cut this. Yeah. All right, let's try it. Mmm. Creamy, cheesy. Perfection at its finest. Oh, so delicious. So I'm gonna go eat, feed the children, feed the hubby. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Bye.